The first AI side hustle is creating faceless YouTube videos. Using AI tools, you can write scripts, generate voiceovers, and even create the visuals without ever showing your face. People are building entire channels in niches like motivation, luxury, finance, history, psychology, and storytelling, all using artificial intelligence. You can use AI to generate thumbnails, titles, captions, and even the entire video itself. And the best part is, you can start for free. This side hustle is powerful because YouTube pays you for views, but you can also earn from affiliate links and sponsorships. The more videos you upload, the more opportunities you create for passive income. If you're willing to stay consistent, this can become one of the highest paying AI